Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Update macOS if needed and make sure your Gmail login and two-factor method are at hand. Open the Mail app or go to System Preferences and choose Internet Accounts. This is where you link services. Click the plus button, then select Google. Once you choose Google, a browser sign-in window appears. Enter your email, then your password, and proceed to the permission screen so Mail can access Mail, contacts, and calendars. You continue by completing the Google sign-in flow. Follow the prompts and approve the requested permissions so Mail can fetch messages and sync contacts. Once authenticated, return to Internet Accounts and tick Mail, contacts, and calendars as needed. Make sure to enable offline sync if you want messages available without Internet. Then open Mail, give it a moment to download headers and messages, and adjust fetch settings in Mail Preferences accounts. You finish by setting Gmail as the default sending account in Mail Preferences if desired, and verify sent mail uses the correct identity. If messages fail to send, check SMTP server settings, SMTP, Gmail, COM, port 465 or 587, and authentication set to your Google credentials. If you use two-factor authentication, create an app-specific password in Google Account Security and use it here. If syncing stalls, sign out and back in, then restart Mail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.